Hi there. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will be talking about Huawei Nova 10 and Nova 10 Pro. Huawei once again shows that they are capable of delivering two phones with exquisite design. We are talking about the new Huawei Nova 10 and Nova 10 Pro, two mid-range models that have been presented in China and offer exceptional features for their price range. As we already saw with the Huawei P50e, with which they share quite a lot, the new Nova is a perfect example that Huawei has a great taste at the aesthetic level and continues to excel in multiple sections. This is what the Huawei Nova 10 and Nova 10 Pro offer, two mid-range models, as we see with their Snapdragon 778G processor, whose ultra-compact design and a high-level photographic section are unusual. The difference between the Pro and standard models is basically in size, with the Pro model being slightly larger and heavier, as well as in the front dual camera. Both the Huawei Nova 10 and Nova 10 Pro add OLED panels with Full HD Plus resolution and 120Hz refresh rate. Inside, the Snapdragon 778G processor is added, manufactured in 6 nanometers and with 4G connectivity. This detail, not having 5G connectivity, can be understood in China, but in mid-2022 it may pose a problem for its expansion in international markets. Accompanying this chip we have 8GB of RAM and storage of up to 256GB. The Nova 10's battery stays at 4,000 and 4,500 mAh, along with 66 watts fast charging and 100 watt on the Pro model. Other models may offer more capacity, but these are excellent numbers for two models whose thickness remains at about 7 and 8 mm respectively, with a lightweight that in the Nova 10 remains at 168 grams. In the photographic section, Huawei repeats with the Nova 10 what we already saw in its flagship, the P50. There is a 50-megapixel REB main sensor, accompanied by two other wide-angle and depth sensors. The striking thing on this occasion is we have it on the front. The Huawei Nova 10 incorporates a 60-megapixel wide-angle front main sensor, under the hole in the screen. Far from staying there, Huawei is committed to further expanding the capabilities of the front camera with a secondary 8-megapixel sensor for portraits. No surprise here with the software, less for a mobile that for the moment remains in the Chinese market. Harmonios 2.0 is the software in charge of the mobile. A modification of Android without Google services, where it bets on App Gallery and Huawei's services. The new Huawei Nova 10 and Nova 10 Pro are now available in 4 different colors: black, silver, purple and green. These are their official prices in China. Huawei Nova 10 8GB and 128GB costs 2,699 yuan. Huawei Nova 10 8GB and 256GB costs 2,999 yuan. Huawei Nova 10 Pro 8GB and 128GB costs 3,699 yuan, while Huawei Nova 10 Pro 8GB and 256GB costs 3,999 yuan. Here ends our video on Huawei Nova 10 and Nova 10 Pro. We hope you find it very useful. If you have any suggestion, kindly share with us in the comments section. Also, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Please click on the notification bell in front of the subscribe button to turn on notification for this channel, so as to notify you when I post new video. Thank you for watching.